Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to reduce certain words and pronounce them to give language rhythm. By learning reduction, you will improve your comprehension while listening to native speakers and make your speech more understandable to others. One thing you should never forget is that word reductions we will learn today should always be used in speech in informal conversations. Please do not use them in writing unless you are writing a story where the characters speak in a certain way. The words we are going to learn today are gonna, wanna, wantsta, HAFTA, HASTA, and OUGHTA. Wanna. It is the reduction of want to. Wanna. In the end, there is a schwa sound. Wanna. It's not wanna, it's wanna. I want to read a book. You reduce want to wanna. I wanna read a book. You wanna read a book. We wanna read a book. They wanna read a book. But if it is he, she, or it, then he wants to read a book. Wants to will be reduced to wantsta. He wants to read a book. She wants to read a book. It wants to read a book. So it's wanna and wantsta. Wanna, where the subject is I, you, we, they, or any plural subject, and wantsta for a singular subject or he, she, or it. Sarah wants to read a book. They wanna read a book. Gonna. Gonna. It is the reduction of going to. It's not gonna. It's gonna. There is a schwa sound in the end. Gonna. I am going to go. It will reduce to I'm gonna go. Instead of saying I am going to go, you say I'm gonna go. In this sentence, I am is reduced to I'm. I'm gonna go. The thing to remember is you always say I'm gonna go. If you say I gonna go, that is wrong. They gonna go, wrong. It's they're gonna go. He is going to go will be he's gonna go. It's not his, it's z in the end. He's gonna go. She is going to go, she's gonna go. It is going to go will be reduced to it's gonna go. The thing to remember is in the end it's s sound. It's s. With he and she it was z sound, like he's gonna go, she's gonna go, it's gonna go. HAFTA. It is the reduction of the words have to. I have to leave early. I have to leave early. Have to is used in the meaning of must. I have to leave early. The thing to be noticed is that after I have to is the first form of the verb or the base form of the verb. So I have to leave early. It's not like I have to left early. No, that will be wrong. I have to leave early. You have to leave early. We have to leave early. They have to leave early. HASTA. Instead of the sound s, we make the sound z. HASTA. HASTA. Has to also have the meaning of must, and we also use the base form of the verb after has to or hasta. He has to leave early. We will say it like he has to leave early. She has to leave early. It has to leave early. Oughta or oughta is reduced form of ought to. Oughta is American and oughta is British. Ought to has the same meanings as should, and it is usually used to give advice. I ought to eat healthy food. I oughta eat healthy food. We oughta eat healthy food. You oughta eat healthy food. They oughta eat healthy food. He oughta eat healthy food. She oughta. It oughta.